When a client calls us and schedules a newborn session, we do send them our client prep guide that tells them things to do before the session. One thing that's important to discuss is for a nursing mom to try and eat a bland diet 24 to 48 hours before her session. Quite often when the mother's in the hospital, she can eat whatever she wants, but then when she gets home and that milk comes in, it is quite often discovered that certain foods may affect your newborn baby. I'm a nursing mom and I nursed all 3 children, and I remember my pediatrician giving me a list 17 years ago of foods to avoid. You want to avoid gassy vegetables, spicy foods, tomato-based products, citrus products. All of these things could affect your newborn baby. When any doubt, always consult your pediatrician or your lactation consultant. It's important that you just eat soft, comfortable, mild foods before the newborn session so the baby can eat and go into a nice deep sleep.